Hello friends, it's me Asir Intasir Shaiket. Welcome to my channel. If you watch this video in 2025, then Happy New Year for you. And if you watch this video before 2025, then advance Happy New Year. So basically in 2025, I am going to start a new journey. I start Forex 12 years ago. Basically in last 12 years, I do trading with currency. I spend time with the currency like dollar, euro and all the things. But the world is going to change now. If I cannot update myself with this world, then I will be just kicked out of the market. Okay, so I just want to update myself with cryptocurrency because cryptocurrency is the future. So from today, I'm going to start a new journey with the new year with the cryptocurrency. And if you want to start your journey with the cryptocurrency also, you can start with me. Basically, I am just going to learn all the things from the beginning to the advanced level, and whatever things I will learn, I will upload video about those things. So in that case, what will happen, when I will understand something, I will explain it in very easy way. So if you want to learn the crypto things and all the necessary things about the crypto, how you can earn money from the crypto and what is the opportunity you can take from the crypto, all the things you will get. So this is a new journey. So if you want to join this journey with me, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for notification. So in today's video, I will start at the very beginning things. What is cryptocurrency? I mean, what is the definition of cryptocurrency? Then step by step, I will go deep. I will go deep, and all the things, all the small things, I will explain, so you will not miss anything because I am just learning these things. So if I miss something, it will bad for me. So whatever things I will learn, I will teach you. It will help you, and it will help me also. Okay, let's start our journey with this new year. Let's begin. Okay, so first let's start with definition of cryptocurrency. Okay, let me read it first. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptographic technique to secure transaction. Okay, so what you get? Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency. It's not like a dollar or euro. You cannot touch this cryptocurrency like dollar and euro. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency. You can just see the number in your wallet. Like the bank, when you logged into your bank account, you just see the number. Cryptocurrency also like that. You can just see the number, but you cannot touch these things. So this is the major difference from normal currency and the cryptocurrency. So day by day, just trust me, this is the future currency, so you need to learn these things very carefully. Okay, so cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that use cryptography technique. Now you need to know what is cryptography technique, but I will discuss these things later. Let me continue the definition first. Okay. So cryptography technique to secure the transaction. So all the transaction happens in the cryptocurrency. They use cryptography technique. Okay, it operates on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Okay, what is these things? So there you need to understand what is the decentralized network and also what is the blockchain technology. Basically, I will go deep in all the topic like what is the cryptography technique, what is the decentralized network, what is the blockchain technology. Okay, so I will explain all the things step by step. You no need to worry about anything. Okay, and central authorities like government or bank cannot control it. This is the main part. You know, when you put your money in the bank account or when you hold cash, the government and the banks have full control upon you. If you do anything, if government want, they can block your account. If bank want, they can freeze your account. They can do anything with you. But if you convert your money with the cryptocurrency, then government or bank, no one have any control. they cannot do anything. This is the main beauty of the cryptocurrency. So there, if you just convert your few money with the cryptocurrency, then it will be the just out of the radar of government. So there is the main part. Let me conclude these things. It is a digital or virtual currency. It use cryptographic technique for the transaction. It works on decentralized network. It works on based on blockchain technology, and this is and government and bank don't have any control. So this is the 5 things, important things with the cryptocurrency. Step by step I will explain all the things. Okay, so let me give you an example. There you can see Bitcoin is the one of the most popular and fast cryptocurrency. And the Ethereum is like, you can say that this is the second most popular cryptocurrency, and the Litecoin is also a cryptocurrency. So there, if I want to explain all the things in one video, then it will be very long and also you will get bored. And step by step in the next video I will discuss about what is cryptographic technique, because if you want to understand cryptocurrency in depth, then you have to understand all the key points. So in tomorrow's in next video I will make about cryptographic technique, and then I will make a video about decentralized network, and then I will explain the blockchain technology. Okay, so if you have any suggestion or if you want to know anything about cryptocurrency, then you can comment in this video. I will explain those things, no problem. Also, if you have any suggestion for me, you can comment below. I will really appreciate that things. Okay, if you don't want to miss the next video, subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for notification. Just join this journey with me. I will learn whatever things I will teach you, and by this way you can learn crypto from the beginning to advance. Because if you go to YouTube, then maybe you don't get anything like step by step. But here, if you learn with me, there I will learn step by step. Then I can also teach you all the things step by step. Okay, this is for today. Bye. Have a good year.